Hi! In front of me is an phone 1 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then you need to click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Over here, wait for available ones to show and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up. Now, in order to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this gear icon next to chosen device, tapping on Forget, and confirming your choice by choosing Forget Device in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to it again, just tap on Pair New Device and do the same all over again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!